This software is Scrivener. It's designed by a fellow writer, for other writers. He wanted a tool to keep all his important items in one place, such as notes, character developments, story locations, and all the things that go into writing a novel. It's a great tool. Not too expensive, and it saves you having to hunt through loads of folders in Word to try to find information. If you download it, you would use it to write your novel rather than import into it. Let's take a quick look at it. On the left, you can create chapters. And inside the chapter folders, you can add scenes. You click on a scene, then hit return and it creates a new one for you, or go up to the plus sign at the top and add one. You can build a character sketch to refer to as you write. You can add notes for yourself on the right of the screen. You can do the same for locations for your story. Let's look at formatting. At the top, under Format, you can set up your document as we did in Word, with a decreased first-line paragraph, then indent subsequent paragraphs. There's also a nice little addition. Under Projects at the top, click on Show Project Targets. You can add the total word count you're aiming for with your novel. Below it, you can set a session target. So each time you sit down to write it will add the word count and notify you when you reach it. I like this feature. You can also set yourself a deadline date. Then the software will work out how many words you would need to write per session, to be able to meet the deadline. The session count changes, depending on how many days per week you write. You can see, I now have to write about 2,000 words per session. To export your final manuscript, you can create various files, such as Word docs, EPUB files, rich text files and so on. Choose the folder you want to export, so all your chapters on the left. Next, go to File, and scroll down to Compile. You can see the chapters that are in the compile list. At the top of the box, click the down arrow to see your options. You can make different file types, depending on what you need. These include EPUB and MOBI files for ebook publishing. This is a great bit of software. Check it out at the link below.